Hi everyone, today our agenda is that how to split string and replace. After that we have to build the data table and add the raw and append all the data in Excel file, right? So first I already make a Excel file which I show you whatever input is there. So here is our input like full name, address, contract, days and designation, and our output is, let me show you what we require our output, right? So our output requirement is, we want first name, last name, city, state, in contact date and designation. See, here full name is there, but we want first name and last name. Here address is there, we want city and state. Here contract days is there, not date, and we want date in the contract date and designation, right? So for that we have make a bot. Let me show you how to make the bot. Okay, so first we have to take one read range, right? So I took read range from workbook. Okay, so I have a data which I took, and we open that, and actually my seat name is not as specific, that's why I will mention here seat one, and here no need to write any range, right? So for that we have to delete all the range. Okay, after we have to take for each row. Why? Because we have multiple data. If you want one data, no need to use for each row. If you want multiple data, you need to take for each row, right? For each row, in read range only we have to create one variable called control k v input data, right? And here we mention the input data. Okay, after that we have to take one multiple assign, because we want multiple, that's why we take multiple. If you want one, then you can take one assign, right? So here I want multiple assign, that's why I able to multiple assign, and here I will mention all these things, right? Okay, so first we will take one variable called v full name, right? And here we will mention row of full name dot to string, right? Okay, after that we can create one more variable called v array name, right? Here we mention v full name dot split of space c. Okay, okay, So here array is array of string. Okay, after that we create one variable called v first name, right? And here we mention v array name of 0 dot to string, and here we create one variable called v last name, v array name of 1 dot to string. Okay, right. Here for name, right? After that we will take one more multiple assign for address, right? So we create one variable called v address, right? And from here we will copy the address, and here we mention row of address dot to string, right? Again we create one variable called v array address, right? And here we mention v address dot split of split of comma c, right? And here again we have to change string, right? After that we have to create control k v ct, right? Here we mention v array address of 0 dot to string. Here we create v state v array of dd 1 dot to string, right? After that we have to take one build data table, right? So here I will take one build data table, and here I will create control k v final data. the final data. Okay, and here I will mention first name, last name, city, state, candidate, designation. Okay, after that we have to take one multiple assign for the date, right? So for date we have to take contract date. Row of dot to string. Okay, after that we have create one variable called the int day, right? Where we have to call the int of contract days dot replace of days comma dot to string. Okay, here we have to mention v int day is integer, right? Okay, after that we have to take one more variable is called v in date. Okay, here we will mention now dot add address of v dot twisting dd yy. Okay. Okay. So okay, so by mistake I was mentioned he added a day, but here we want to be in days. Okay. Yeah. After that we have to use add data row here. In add data row here we have to mention v final data. Okay, and here we mention first name, last name, city, state, injet, row of designation, designation dot to string. Okay. After that, we have to use append range here, and we have already data to final data. Okay. Close, and let me run what will be output we get. Okay. Let me open. See, here we get all the data, right? So guys, hope you are understood. Thank you. Bye bye.